beautiful Sunday afternoon, and I'm in the grill. And we're going today to a bike show in Savlomar. So actually, I've never been to a bike show in Sav before, so I'm pretty excited to attend that. I really don't know what to expect or anything, but I'm bringing you guys with me. Ah, the sun is extremely hot. It's not as hot as Kingston, but it's hot. It's a lovely day though. Oh, oh my God. I'm burning up.
Happy best owner so. So my girl know say I want to put on in your man name or your pretty name or your next smarty name. Roll us up. Even my name too. Just put on Polygon, Stylist. Yeah. Roll that stylist. So forget to have a girl say that party again. So right now. Over to you tonight for the party. Listen to the next one, you know. All you know, nobody can stop you in your life. Bunks for that song, yeah. If you know God bless you, put up your. All who give thanks to life, put up your hand in the ear. Somebody turn on a one light down. One light from the sun. Out comes the sun, shining on my face. Nobody know what will happen the next second. The next minute, no!
soon tonight. You hear me? I mean the black market boy when everybody love over Jamaica from one of them so laughing. You think grimy. So me I say, see, so big up all of my ladies them like how you look. Looking at your mirror at all times before you touch your road. You see me I say, make sure so your hairstyle fit your face. And if your forehead too big, you put down some of the hair over the forehead. You see me I say, alright, see it? And if your eye too big, don't put on no eyelash, you understand? It don't look good. Alright, see it? So, ladies, here we go. Listen me now. Here we go. Well, I
Let's get my words right and then approach. When I treat you like I'm honest, supposed I have to cry. I know everyone, every day.
When the ladies come in and say anyway, you think about the Lord.
Keep fire, yeah, fire, yeah. I want her in my life. I never know anyone.
I like that trumpet, I like you. I like that one trumpet, you.
The way she moves to her own beat.
Okay, so I'm on my way back to Kingston. It's Monday morning. Looks yummy. Stopping to get fruit punch.
Liquor. In a period, still in money and go take liquor to put down the party. Yeah. But me say why you not gonna stop and tell the man, tell the woman, talk with the woman. I'm here CEO, I'm here your chance. And he say, why that are true, but if me don't know film kind of way. Hey, me want to a laptop a yard. I never been used a laptop before. I just get it. Only me little boy, baby boy, we have 5-year-old and I use it at this moment. So that me go get internet to go and see. Because that little at 5-year-old. I got on so. I'm not stop him. I say, Daddy, come and teach you.
So this is my fruit punch. That's the fruit stall. It's good. Yeah. So I got me some conch soup in St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth has the best middle quarters, has the best shrimp and conch and everything. Oh my god. What? So this is the place that we buy the soup from. Oh my god, the soup is hot as too hot. Okay, so all these pepper shrimps. They're huge. So big. Approaching Alambandro soon. It's so good though. Finally get a kid after this.